International source of finance. What is the international source of finance? So I want to run a business. I'm not searching the investor in the India. I'm from outside. I'm bringing money. That is international source of fund. There are various instruments of international funds. What foreign currency convertible bond. So foreign currency into Indian rupees, and then it has been sold to. I mean that money is used in India. Global depository receipt, American depository receipt, euro convertible bond, and other sources. Foreign currency convertible bond. It is a convertible bond issued in currency, different currency than issue a domestic currency. So it is not be issued in rupees. It should be issued in other dollars or euro. So some other thing currency you need to issue. Such kind of currency is. So I say I'm issuing $1 million bond, £2 million bond. Such a kind of foreign currency bond issued for interest rate. Global deposit receipt. What is it? The deposit receipt is a negotiable certificate denominated in currency, not a native issuer. It represents the company's equity share. A deposit receipt issued in USA called American deposit receipt and are denominated USD. And outside USD, they are called GDR, Global Deposit Receipt. So now what they using? You have a company in America, and that company is issuing bond. That money from America you taking to India and investing. That is Global Deposit Receipt. American deposit receipt in America you'd issue to American from American company issue to American people or any people all over the world, and that money you're getting that and using that money specifically through a company, not everyone. That is American depositors only from Americans you get the money. Euro convertible bonds. It is a debt instrument gives holder a bond on option to convert bond into equity shares of a company. So usually these euro convertible bonds are debentures, convertible debentures. What convert kind of convertible debentures? So it's a given option to convert the bond into equity shares. That is euro like the kind of an convertible debentures. This is euro convertible bonds. Other sources, what are the sources? Euro convertible zero coupon bond. Euro zero coupon bond, na, I won't pay you any interest rather than I will get you in get the money in what present value. When after I will pay you amount that is and euro bond with equity warrant. So convert not option. Definitely it will be convert to equity shares. Syndicate bank loans, bank providing loans, euro bonds, foreign bonds, euro commercial papers. Commercial papers are like bonds and credit instruments, loan. So these are the type of source of fund for international source of finance. Thank you.